Welcome. In this video I will show you how to export workouts tracked by your Apple Watch SE 3 to Strava and apps. First of all, you're gonna have to open the Strava app on your iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch. To do so, you have to open the app library on your iPhone and search for Strava. And once you find it, you have to open it. Then go to settings. To go to settings, you have to open the U tab in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then select the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Manage Apps and Devices and select Health. Now, in order to import data from the Health application to Strava, you have to tap on Health, then select Connect, and then your Health app will be connected with the Strava. Make sure that the automatic uploads and send to Health toggles are switched to the right and are colored orange, and then every performed workout tracked with your Apple Watch will be exported to Strava using the Health app. And if you want to import a specific workout, so one of the workouts that weren't synchronized and imported automatically, you just have to tap Import next to the workout that you want to add. As you can see, for me, all of them are important already, so I don't even have to do anything. But if you have an import option right here, then tap on it and this workout will be imported to your Strava app. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.